Yo, welcome back guys, Miguel Custom Kicks here, back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these 3D snake customs. Now before this video starts, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. So what you guys are going to want to do first is sketch out the snake. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, but you got to make sure the snake is tucked in behind the Nike swoosh. You guys are going to see in a little bit how I did it. Alright, so right here you guys see me tuck in the snake behind the Nike swoosh. Notice that I didn't leave a gap between the snake and the swoosh. Alright, so once you guys are done sketching out the snake, you guys are going to want to get some nail polish remover and prep the area where you're going to paint on. Alright, so the colors you guys are going to want to use for this custom is light blue and also navy blue from Angelus. Alright, so something I like to do before painting is getting a small piece of tape and then sticking it onto the shoe where I'm going to be painting at so I can pick up any excess debris. What you guys are going to want to do now is just fill in the snake with light blue until it's a nice solid color. Alright, so now that the snake is a solid color, you guys are going to want to mix gray and too thin with a 1:1 ratio. Alright, so once you guys start airbrushing, you guys are going to want to aim towards the edge of the snake. And don't worry if the overspray gets onto the snake because you're going to be touching it up afterwards.
This is a Homage beat.
Alright, so for this step, you guys are going to want to get tape and place it over the snake and then just cut it out with a blade. Alright, so once you've cut out the snake, you guys are going to want to get navy blue and too thin and mix it into a 1:1 ratio. So when airbrushing this part, all you guys want to do is have the airbrush towards like an angle so that the overspray can get onto the light blue. Alright, so when you guys take out the stencil, you guys are going to want to go back and touch up the edges with navy blue. Alright, so when you're doing the stripes, you want to make sure they're curved. And then switch up the curve on the snake bands. When you guys are doing the inner stripe, you guys are going to want to get a toothpick and sharpen it, because it's just going to make it easier to fill in the stripe. So the final step into this custom is just to finish it off with some matte finisher. So before the video ends, if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this.